Sean-nós steps or Sean-nós steps. So the fun thing is we listen to music, we figure out the steps, and you dance right now. Let's try it without music first. So you're just gonna copy. So we're gonna go brush, step, brush, step. This should be like a sweeping sound. Brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. Good, you're already Irish dancing. Brush, step, brush, step. Okay, now we're gonna go heel and toe, and heel and toe, and heel and toe, and heel and toe. Switch feet, heel and toe, and heel and toe, and heel and toe, and heel and toe. So we normally do Irish step dance, right? The modern version of competitive step dance. This was before that came, so you're gonna notice basic steps that we use in step dance here as well, but with less technique, let's say. Okay, let's do the and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. This one is step, tip, step, step, tip, step, step, tip, step, and we're gonna fall on the last step. Step, tip, step, step, tip, step, step, tip, step. And yes, your feet are straight. Step, tip, step, step, tip, step, step, tip, step, step, tip, step. We can also do heel, 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 2, 3, 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 heel, 2, 3. Good. Now let's try it out with the music. Subscribe for more Sean-nós dancing and Irish step dancing, festival dancing, ceilidh dancing, and social set dancing. All the Irish dance styles here at Team Ireland Irish Dance. Well, let's keep going. Brush 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Brush 1, 2, 3. Brush 1, 2, 3. Brush 1, 2, 3. Brush 1, 2, 3. And now that we have the singular brush, the tip, we can do a rally. Rally 1, rally 2, rally 3, rally 4. Just like St. Patrick's Day, right? The trad set. But now in one spot, not traveling too much, and also with straight feet. And you can, yes, touch your heels to the ground. Oh, what fun. Another way in Sean-nós dancing to do this rally would be a shuffle, some might call it, and you go heel, toe, down. Heel, toe, down. So instead of toe, toe, down, we're going heel, toe, down. Makes a little bit of a heavier sound. Da 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 da. Takes some getting used to. For me too. Da 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 da. Why don't you know about all of these Irish dance styles? Well, because the Irish dance schools that we have that are with commission are not allowed to teach these dance styles, technically. And so they're kind of being pushed to the wayside, and they're done at other competitions, such as the Aractus, not the one you're thinking about, a different one, and also the Flaw. Now let's do toe, 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 and toe, 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 toe. No, it doesn't have to be crossed all the way this time. It can just be here. Toe, toe, da, 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 da. So the fun part of all of this is when you combine them all, and you can just do it improvised, which is the idea. It doesn't actually have choreography. You make your own steps as you go along. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do those 2 steps together. That would be 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Da 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 da. Let's try a different combo. Da 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 da. And no, you don't actually have to have locked knees this time. They can be bent. Your body doesn't have to be so rigid. It can kind of sink into your knees a little bit. Much more user-friendly dance style. Da 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 da. We can do that going in a circle too. Da 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 da. Good. The idea isn't that you follow along with my choreography. It's that you take what you remember and practice it on your own and invent something brand new. Let's do one last step. Da 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 da. So easy. And heel, 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 kind of like flamenco dancing. And heel, 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 heel. Good. And we're gonna go to this side, hop, go to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. Okay, again. And da 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 da. So to start it, hop da 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 da, hop da 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 da. The hop goes up a little bit, not so high up, like we're used to a step dance, but just a little bit of your woo to give you some momentum. Okay, let's try da 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 da. See, now we have a slower beat and a faster one. So much fun. And anyway, let's recap everything. So we had the da 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 and the toes. Da, 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 da. Good job. Very well done. Amazing. My name's Bella. I'm an Irish dance teacher here at Toom Ireland. We have classes online, so no matter where you are in the European Union or in my home country of Canada or United States, we're here for you with a full course program. Recorded classes and live classes. To learn more about how to dance with us online, send me a message on Instagram. The link is in my bio. Or if you just want to keep learning how to Irish dance, I have 15 free Irish dance classes for you. Just send me a message on Instagram and send me the word free. I'll send it right to you. That's all for me today, and I'll see you later. Bye.